Today's vehicles are more advanced than ever, packed with high-tech systems designed to make driving easier and safer. But what happens when these systems break down? Infotainment systems. From touchscreens to Bluetooth, modern cars are full of entertainment features. But when these systems malfunction, repairs can cost $1,000 to $3,000 just to fix something as simple as a screen or audio connectivity. Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, or ADAS. Safety systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and automatic braking are incredible until they fail. Repairing or recalibrating these systems can run $1,500 to $5,000, depending on the complexity. Electronic control modules. Your car's brain, the ECU, controls everything from engine performance to emissions. If it fails, you're looking at $800 to $2,500 to replace it, and that's just one component. Backup cameras and sensors help you park and navigate, but a malfunction here can cost $500 to $1,500 to repair, not to mention the inconvenience of losing these safety features. When tech components malfunction, the cost can be overwhelming. That's why having the right protection, like a vehicle service contract, can make all the difference. Stay ahead of expensive repairs and keep your car's tech running smoothly. Give CarShield a call today for more information.